In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fillable fields in DocHub. If you've ever had a static PDF that needed to be turned into a form people can complete online, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it cleanly and efficiently. Start by opening your PDF. Head over to docHub.com, then upload your file or open an existing document from your account. Once the PDF loads in the editor, you're ready to turn it into a form. Next, enable the tools that let you add fields. Look at the top toolbar and choose Fields or Prepare Form, depending on the version you're seeing. When Form mode is active, you'll notice new tools appear for placing fillable items on your pages. Now choose the type of field you need and place it on the page. For basic text inputs like name, address, or short answers, select the Text Field tool, click where you want the field to go, and drag the edges to resize until the box fits the available space. If you're building checkboxes for yes or no selections or multiple options, pick the checkbox tool and click to drop each box beside its label. For dates, you can use a date field if available, or a standard text field with a clear label. If your form requires a signature, choose the signature field so recipients can sign digitally. Keep your labels concise and consistent so users know exactly what belongs in each field. If the placement isn't perfect, use your mouse or arrow keys to nudge the field into position, and feel free to copy and paste a field to reuse the same size and style elsewhere. Once you have several fields, take a moment to align and organize them so the form looks professional. Select multiple fields by dragging a selection box around them or by holding Shift and clicking each one. Use the alignment options at the top. Align left, align right, or center to line things up. To keep spacing even across rows or columns, choose Distribute vertically or Distribute horizontally. If your interface offers Snap to Grid, turn it on to maintain consistent spacing and straight lines as you move and resize fields. Clean alignment makes your form easier to read and much faster to complete. When you're finished, save your changes, then export or share. You can download a PDF with the fields embedded or share directly from DocHub so others can fill it out online. And that's all it takes to add fillable fields in DocHub.